already. So today is generally the significance of today is that we leave all our uh, what you may say weaknesses, all our uh, bad habits, all our bad values, everything, all the uh, anything which is not good or not
Yeah.
pure, we can just take it out from our system.
Yeah.
and and there can be any many ways, like it is not only one thing that you can do. See, there are so many aspects and you can improve yourself at so many different places. Your thoughts, starting from your thoughts, words, feelings, actions, and values. The actions you continuously take create your values. So for that, if you have knowledge, the right knowledge, you will yourself understand how to you will yourself attain high values, and you will uh, overcome your shortcomings, your weaknesses. That is what Diwali is about. It is like overcoming your old sanskars, past karmic accounts. Just forget them and leave them aside and start a new you, new values, new intellect, which comes through knowledge, intellect and values, regular high knowledge, especially which I share, or if you whatever I've shared with you, if you get to the real knowledge, the godly knowledge, you will actually improve yourself and create new. So the best way to uh, dissolve your bad habits or weaknesses or any negatives from your system is
Yeah.
to, from today, just promise to yourself or yourself that commit to yourself that I will be only having the divine qualities. That's it. Once you just have divine qualities, negative will automatically get erased. That is the best way. You don't have to even ignore your remove your bad qualities. Just take positive, new divine qualities. Now, what are they? That you will understand when you will have knowledge. So everything comes down to the knowledge, and knowledge is the even source of income, the source of the best life, and everything. And for that knowledge, with whom you get through God, direct connection with God. And God, you can you have to take energy from God as well, powers from God as well. Okay, so that will happen when you connect with Him, which is you may call meditation or you may call remembrance of God. The more you remember, the more you are in touch with Him, the more powers you will get, whatever is required in your day to day. You will automatically get it if you are connected with God. And through this knowledge, you will train your brain and mind to handle situations, handle any situation, and become empowered. Okay, so I think that is the whole spiritual rather the significance of today.
Yeah.
So you can utilize it for your benefit and to empower yourself to. So I think uh, I'm unable to recognize your good name.
Saundara Raja.
No. Uncle who just joined. I'm just, yeah. You are muted. You are muted. You, yes. You have to unmute yourself. The person who just joined, please unmute yourself, and then we'll be able to hear. And you can switch on
Shankaradanadu
your.
Datta Majumdar.
Acha. I think you were in the Divine Science Miracle group, no?
Right.
Yes. You can come on the video, please. Yeah. I think, were you able to attend my program those 5 days?
One
Yeah.
day I attended.
Yes. So I think I have shared the recording in the Divine Science Miracle group. So you can go through them, and then if you feel that I can help you out in any way, I think you can reach to me.
Unfortunately, my phone was stolen. So I
Oh,
just got a phone last
acha.
evening.
Can you
Today
come
I am
on the video,
updating.
please? Sorry, can you come on the video? I think that would be better. We can connect better. Yeah.
Video is not showing.
No, 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 no. Actually, yes. Now it is showing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, first of all, a very happy Diwali to all of you, and means like to
Thank
you
you.
and your
Same to you.
family, and Mr. Saundar as well. So, I was just like sharing the little bit of significance about Diwali to Mr. Saundar, how we can use this date for our benefit and for empowering ourselves and others. So, I just would like to ask you, what are your top three life issues, if any, Mr. Shankaraj? Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you are asking me?
Yes, 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 yes.
What are
If
your
any,
life issues?
top three life issues, if any.
How do you define it?
See, if you like, for example, right now, top three things which may be, if which may be a bothering, if there is something which may be a bothering, it could be related to career, health, relationships, self growth, personal self, whatever, anything.
I'm 69. At this stage, every day is a bonus.
Wow, wow, amazing. I think you should. That is a very positive way to look at it. But what if I tell you that you are actually missing out on the real knowledge which you could empower yourself? So you are losing out on the days which you can be more empowered. You understand? So what it means is that you can be much more happy and peaceful in life. Obviously, if you are already, then that is great. You can enhance it much more if you have the real knowledge, the real godly knowledge, and you understand the purpose of our life. Then I think you will feel that time is very less. Time is very less to achieve our purpose in this life. You understand? Not the don't think the negative way which the normal worldly people think, that it is about leaving this world. No, I'm saying very less time to empower ourselves. You know, very whatever time is left, we can use it to fulfill our purpose of life. For that, we have to first understand what it is, and exactly where are we right now. So that will really help you to get much more meaning out of whatever life is left for all of us. Each one of us can actually benefit. So on
Okay.
this yeah, on this Diwali day, I think it is, even the significance of Diwali is same. I think for both of you, I'm just saying, I shared with Mr. Sondra as well. I'll share it in the group again. But uh, that is what, see, right now, uh, what you can do is uh, just Mr. Shankrendu, just think of yourself to be just focus in between your you can take long deep breaths, you two guys. Just long deep breaths you can just take and relax a little bit. You can take, both of you, long deep breaths. Just uh, peacefully, just take long deep breaths. Take long deep breaths slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, feeling better.
Yes, marginally.
Yeah. So actually,
Taking is easy. I think leaving it out is difficult.
so actually, when you sit down straight and in the right posture, and you are relaxed, so don't be tight or rigid. Like rigid means, sorry, I am using the wrong word. Don't be stiff. Okay, just be completely light and relaxed and
Relax.
leave everything. Yeah,
Relax.
yeah, just leave your body very loose. So the more loose you keep your body, the more relaxed you are. Okay, the person with device name success can you just share your identity, please? Or if you can come on the video or just share about yourself a little bit. I could not recognize you. It would be great if we can, if you can come on the video, or if you can share your details a bit. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, can we have your introduction, please? The person with device name success. Okay. So if possible, you can just share it, because only then I'll be able to help you more, and maybe help you to find out a solution to anything which you would like to, or which you want to achieve. Okay. So yeah, we were yeah, Mr. Sonder and Mr. Shankarendu. So now you guys just focus in between your forehead here, exactly where you have put a tika. Okay, here. Just focus on here. Just like focus in between your forehead and just see that you are a shining star, a small shining star, white shining star in between your forehead, a very small shining star. Just see and visualize this shining star, small shining star, white color in between your forehead. And now you see that this there are rays coming out of this white light, this shining star. Okay, and it's spreading across. White light is spreading across, and slowly it even gets inside your body. It fills up your whole brain with white light. Your whole brain is completely filled up with white light. Your whole mind and face completely filled up with white light. So it's slowly spreading, getting inside your body completely. Brain is done, face, now it's coming to your neck, chest, abdomen, at the back side of the shoulder, like not the shoulder, means the shoulder part, back part, then thighs, legs, till the bottom of the feet. So you're completely filled up with this white light. Through this spreading of this shining white star, light from this shining white star. And now you see that you are actually just completely filled up with this white light. Completely, your whole body is filled up with this white light. And you're feeling so light and relaxed. You seem so light that you just move up. You become so light, and you start moving upside. And you feel that you can go anywhere, and you feel so flexible that you can move, and you feel light and so relaxed. You can go anywhere. Just enjoy this lightness, this relaxation, and feel yourself to be a free bird. You can fly off anywhere. You are just flying in the sky, feeling peaceful, relaxed, and calm without any tension. Just be in this relaxation and peace and lightness. Just enjoy the bliss. And now you see that this white light, this whole your body, whole body filled up with this white light, it becomes so light that it vanishes, and you are just left with this subtle point of shining star in between your forehead. So that is, you just are left with this shining star, and now you become more light. You feel, oh wow, I am just this shining star, small white point of light, and you feel more light and relaxed. You feel now there's nothing left, because you are just this point of white light, so you don't want anything in life, and you're completely happy and peaceful here, because a point of white light does not require anything in life. So you are completely stable, peaceful, and happy. You don't want anything. You're not, you're completely fulfilled, and you're just sitting like, you're just there at that point. I mean, it's like just in a form of a point. So that's it. Just stay in this awareness for 2 to 3 minutes, and just see that there is no tension, no worry of achievement, no sound from anybody, no disturbance. You don't want anything. You are complete in yourself. What is it that you want to achieve? What is the problem that you want to solve? There is nothing. There is no tension, no worry, nothing to achieve, no fear of death, no fear of birth. You're just this, and you can be like this forever. Just, just visualize it and enjoy this peace, this serenity. This is the this is the real empowerment, the real Diwali. This is what actually Diwali is. Lighting up is not our diyas and all. It's good that you light up diyas, but it's actually enlightenment of yours, knowing yourself, lighting up yourself, which you are right now. You are a point of white light. That is the light which we want to actually enlighten, and that is the real Diwali, not what we do. So that we just have forgotten, and we don't know the real significance. We have lost the real significance and meaning of Diwali. Okay, it's all right, we celebrate it, but actually this bliss what you are having, this enlightenment what you got today, who are you really? This is who you really are. Just this white point of light, this shining star. No worries, no tensions, everything. Perfect health, perfect wealth, perfect happiness. There is nothing to worry. So you can just, for 2 minutes more, you can enjoy this bliss. Now, if somebody has some pains or some any issues or anything, you can just check out for yourself right now if your pain or worry has reduced or not. Just check out for yourself. If you have any issues, just think, are they impacting you that much right now, or it is uh, even a bit reduced, or no, not there, or less? You can yourself figure out. Now just see that there is a white point of light, light top above in the sky, above the sky, very high, the highest you can visualize upside. And you see exactly like you, there is a white point of light, but shining very brightly with very high intensity, very powerful. And again, you are getting white rays from it on you. just receive this white light from up above. Whatever you want in life, just feel that you are getting it through this light. Just visualize that you are getting this from up above, from the blessings, from the empowerment from above, through this white rays, continuous flow of white rays on yourself from above. This white light is actually from up above, is fulfilling all your requirements, all your demands, all your desires in life, whatever you want, all your, it's just removing all the pains, all these stress, fear, anxiety from you, and making your life more and more powerful, happy, empowered, peaceful, loveful, happy, blissful. And when you are done, that you feel that you have reached, just visualize yourself to have attained. So you can do it for 2 more minutes. And whenever you feel complete, just thank this light from above, up above, be grateful. And then whenever you feel complete, you can slowly come out of it. Yeah, so Mr. Shankarendu, how was it? If you can just unmute yourself and share your experience. Should I ask to unmute? You are muted. I'll just ask to unmute. Yes, yes, please. Yeah. So how was it?
Anandam.
so
Anandya.
yeah. So did you are you feeling better in terms of peace, happiness now?
Yeah, I'm feeling this feeling of nothingness except this video. Now
Wow.
that we are otherwise.
So you means that is what? Do you feel better?
I am unburdened.
Sorry?
I am unburdened.
Okay, great. So do you feel that this could really, if we can achieve this in life regularly, continuously, we can have the best life of us?
Yes, a very peaceful life,
Yeah.
a very happy life.
Great. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Joyful
Yes.
life. I think
Yeah.
English translation is a joyful life.
Great. So if you would like to continue this, and if you want to be much more empowered regularly, if you want to work with me, you can just go through those recordings. And if you feel that I can be of any help to you and you would like to work with me, yeah.
I think you missed my point. I lost my phone, so all the recordings
Oh,
are.
I'm sorry. So I will, you can just message me your name
I'll
and now from
WhatsApp
your
you.
WhatsApp.
If I find that chat, I'll WhatsApp you.
So you have my number
I have
now.
to resend, repost.
Acha. So you
Because
have my.
cloud did not
Yeah.
save. I was expecting it would be saved in cloud, but
Acha,
it did
acha.
not come back.
So you have my number.
I should be having all the
Yeah.
contacts were gone. Last
Yeah.
evening I retrieved. I'll check.
So you can just share me your number here.
I'm
You
talking to
can
you in
share.
this.
You can share me your number here. I will just type you hi from my name, and then you can just
Okay.
revert back with your name, and I will just.
9718.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just a second. I'll just. Maybe this is, see, Diwali has really started to become helpful for you today. So it's a great Diwali. Yeah. 97.
18
Hmm.
68
Hmm.
32
Hmm.
51.
5 1. Okay, I have this, and could you just once repeat your name? I just completely want to.
Shankaran.
Shankarendu.
Yeah. SHAN.
Yes, yes, I understand. Yeah, I got it. So I can spell it. Just a second, guys. So full name, Mr. Shankarendu.
Datta. DATTA.
Oh,
Majumdar.
okay, okay, okay.
MAJUMDAR.
So তুমি কলকাতায় থাকো?
আমি তো দিল্লিতে থাকি, কিন্তু আমি
আচ্ছা
বাঙালি।
আচ্ছা, দিল্লি কোথায়?
সফদরজং এনক্লেভ, কৃষ্ণনগর।
ও, আমিও দিল্লি থাকি।
দিল্লির
Indrapuram.
কোথায়?
I stay in Indrapuram. Yeah.
ইন্দিরাপুর।
Indrapuram. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just near Noida. Oh, oh, great coincidence. Good, good. Chalo, I think that will be great. We'll connect sometime. And
Yeah.
thanks for the sharing. Yeah. Okay. So Mr. Sondra, how was it? How was this experience? You are muted.
Yeah. So actually, this when
Yeah.
actually when I concentration this no,
Huh.
so I get sleepy.
Because you get you get relaxation. What you cannot get from your sleep. Now you told that your life night is so hectic, your work
Yeah.
life, and you cannot sleep. So
Yeah.
because now this time you get calmness, peace and relaxation.
Yeah.
So that is why your your nervous system, then because you get sleep only when your nervous system gets completely relaxed and peaceful, there's no chaos. So because of this process, your nervous system was getting that peace, relaxation, and compose like what you may say, peace, relaxation, and that what you may say, the right word is exactly precisely uh, I would say serenity. Once you get that, no, so that is why your nervous system, well, then you will feel sleepy. And if you cannot sleep at night, well, not completely, if you do this process for half an hour, 1 hour, or maybe even 10 minutes, you can even fulfill your sleep.
Yeah.
That is why you are feeling sleepy.
Can we get recording so that I can put record and
Yes,
do
yes. There are so many recordings. I will share that with you. Not only this, I've got unlimited processes, and I share it with my participants, the main course. So yes,
that
you will get it. Yeah, you being a part of the
we can
main
see it.
course. Huh?
So you can put and relax that.
Yes. Okay, I'll be sharing. That is what I told. I'll be sharing you today. So does this help you? How was the feeling?
Yeah. Just relax.
Yeah.
Even though today I'm more busyness in a busy schedule, I thought that this is better. We can have some time.
Huh.
So I'm definitely relaxed.
So you guys, both of you have had at least the real Diwali today. That is what I mentioned. This is the real Diwali. What we do is just following the culture of seeing at people, our previous generations. But actually, this is the real Diwali. This is what Diwali is actually meant about. We make our own meanings and we just celebrate like like firecrackers and all. This is only Diwali. But actually, yes, that is all right. That is not bad for some enjoyment. But you should also not miss the real essence of it, essence of the festivals. Yeah, I think Mr. Shankarendu, you are muted.
One is ritual
Hmm.
and other is the deeper side of rituals are a function.
Rituals are just a formality, which we, if we have come in this
Formality.
world, we have
So
to follow. Otherwise, people will feel us to be abnormal. It is as simple as that. Just to be social and to be not. It is just a ritual which people have created. Now people have this fear. If they don't do this ritual, it will, if something bad can happen, or what people will think, or what will be. We can be socially disconnected, and so many things. But
right.
actually, it is the Diwali is actually for our inside inner self to,
Core of our
yes,
soul.
yes, yes. So that is what actually is the real Diwali is being, empowering your real identity. So now what you understand, this point of white light, what we figured out, that is your real identity. You are just that. You are not this body. That is what actually people, that is the biggest irony. Most of the people are suffering in this world because they don't know their identity, real identity. You see, you understand today that exactly, if you understand that you are just that point of white light, you had nothing, no tensions, nothing, you were enjoying, you were peaceful and happy, that is what you want. So why can't you be in this state? Because why are you happy? Because that is your real state. We are always comfortable and happy at our homes. Even if you send us to the five-star hotels and resorts, we will like it for some days, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. But ultimately, we feel comfortable only at our homes. Complete comfort and that contentment, and that, that feeling comes only when you are at home. So because you are this white point of light, so when you were in this awareness, you felt joyful because you felt like at home. You felt yourself at your
Uh,
home.
a funny similarity is coming to my mind. I feel like a Rasgulla in Ross.
I understand. Yes, exactly, that is all we are. This body, what we have got, only is actually a waste if we don't have this empowerment. This is only giving us the life. You understand? Whenever this leaves our body, we die. That is what we say, that, oh, he has left this body. So means he has left this body, means we know that we are not it. We are not the body. That is why we have left the body. We say he has left the body. He has left the body means, you understand, he has left the body means we are something else than the body. That is,
Mm, no, I have a confusion, not a confusion. What I'm saying, Rasgulla in Ross.
acha, in that
Okay,
sense,
that
yeah.
means it can never leave my body. I am in that, na. So how will
Yeah.
it leave my body? The body
No,
comes out of it. Body is discarded.
actually, I will just tell you the body. If you can just think like this, that this is the body. Obviously this is you, but actually, who are you actually is this. That is where you put a tika or a binti. That is why, because this is empowering your real self. You
Mhm.
don't put a tika in whole of your body, just here, because this is your real self, what you just experienced, this place, and this is your real you. So if you be in this awareness, na, you will not be bothered with your pains in the body, your troubles, or everything in the body, because it is just for this birth. If we would have been body, we would have been over after this birth. We won't have been having any birth. So because we have this birth, it clearly means that we are not the body. Otherwise, we would have not taken any other birth. So means we are something other than the body, which is actually changing bodies. That's it. So that is this one. What you just,
No, when you are talking of birth, it is you and I who believe in birth. Muslim, for example, doesn't believe in birth.
so but
Maybe
they
a
don't,
Christian
yeah,
doesn't.
but they don't believe in birth. But what they
But
believe
this
in is,
is common for everybody.
yes, but I will tell you, they believe in Jannat, which is the golden age. What I will share you, once you connect to once you see the recordings, and when you, and if you want to know more about, and if you want to actually work with me, you will figure out a lot many things. You will find out complete explanation of all these things. Okay. Even in fact possible, I can share it to you right now as well. Let me see, but first understand my system. I think that would be better, those 5 days, and then you can get a solution. Okay, guys. So thank you so much, and hope today you were lucky, and actually it was just God who actually wished to connect to you, and I'm just a medium, and He actually wanted to connect to you and bless you on this Diwali day. So I hope you guys are really lucky. I'm sure.
Happy beginning.
Yeah. So the person with device name Success, if you actually want to share about your identity or share about your problems, otherwise we can just close off this session. I can help you if you wish to share and connect about yourself, otherwise it's your choice. So whatever it is, may God bless you even, and all of you, and a happy Diwali to all of you. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, same to you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Same to you.
Yeah. So I would just ask, like, if you feel anything to share about this session, you can share it in the groups. Okay, it will be okay. Bye bye. Thank you.